Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is Fluent Wait. Fluent Wait is an advanced type of explicit wait that allows us to customize maximum wait time, pooling interval, how Selenium often checks, exceptions to ignore. Unlike implicit wait, it is not global. Unlike basic explicit wait, it allows fine-grained control. Fluent wait is mainly used when elements appear unpredictably, applications are highly dynamic, pooling frequency matters. This is common in React, Angular, and Ajax heavy applications. Here in the sample script, the element does not appear immediately. Instead of checking continuously, Selenium polls at fixed intervals. I am defining how often Selenium should check. I am telling Selenium which exceptions to ignore. This makes the wait more stable and controlled. Here, first I am trying to give the time, how much time it should wait, and how much time the interval should be. It should repeat, checking every 2 seconds. It should check whether that element is there. And I am also ignoring the exception, no such element exception. I am also ignoring this exception and wait till the element is visible, that is email. So this is how Fluent Wait gives more control over synchronization in Selenium. I will run the sample script and see the output. Here it is waiting for the element. So if you see Fluent Wait executed successfully, it waited till the element is loaded or visible. That's why it took some time and then we were able to fill the text. If I press enter, it will be closed. So let me recap. Fluent Wait gives control over how Selenium waits. Pooling interval prevents unnecessary checks. Fluent wait is ideal for unstable or slow elements. Explicit wait waits smart, but fluent wait waits smarter. Fluent wait should be used only when explicit wait is not sufficient.